Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. I've still got tons of stuff to cut, so let's do a cutting video and see what we come up with this time. First off, got a nice subscriber kind of like agate geode something, whatever it is. Oh, that's pretty nice. Oh, it's got a cool little crystal pocket, and overall it's pretty neat. Here's another one of those serpentine-like rocks. Oh, yep, looks just like the other one. It's neat stuff. A really nice-looking river rock that one of my subscribers gave me, and it looks like it's got layers that are iron-rich, maybe even hematite. That's what I was hoping it would look like that inside. Pretty sweet. I know I said I wasn't going to cut any more of these, but why not? And hey, this one's got some stuff going on inside. Still cool. Nice little septarian. Another really cool looking rock that one of my subscribers gave me. Doesn't look like anything I've seen around here. Oh, that's cool. Wow, there's sections of it that really look iron rich. Maybe agate jasper replaced. That's really cool. Here we have another San Rafael swell kind of jasper agate nodule. Oh, wow. This one's pretty cool, very different. Look at all that pink. There's some really cool stuff happening on that side. Here we have some more Levan black agate. Nice little botryoidal there. Cut it a couple times, and oh, look at that yellow in there. Oh, that's nice. And oh, it's so cool. Oh, that side is just neat. Here's more of that Levan red agate that was on that the calcite, and I thought I'd cut it just to see if there's anything inside. I'm not too hopeful. Nothing really. Oh well, that happens. Here we have a nice little kind of jasper agate nodule, something like that I found in New Mexico near that reservoir. And whoa. That wasn't what I was expecting. Look at that black, and then it goes into pink. That is cool. And finally, we've got this that was given to me by one of my subscribers. I think this is crazy lace agate. Really cool stuff. I was excited to cut this, and oh yeah, not disappointed. Oh, that's beautiful stuff. Oh, that is so neat. Some pretty cool stuff there. That crazy lace agate was awesome. And some other things that I hadn't cut before, so some cool stuff. Until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.